I can still recall the first time I felt the call, the wind beneath my wings as I saw the world from a bird's eye view. I still get that thrill as my thumbs work to steer my will. I know that this feeling will never grow old. It's pure gold. Oh, the joy of flying FPV. There's no place that I'd rather be. This is my still recall the first time I felt the call, the wind beneath my wings as I saw the world from a bird's eye view. I still get that thrill as my thumbs work to steer my will. I know that this feeling will never grow old. It's pure gold. Oh, the joy of flying FPV. There's no place that I'd rather be. This is my no place